welcome you guys. Today we are doing a get to know me tag. For those of you who do not know what a get to know me tag is, it's basically a question answer session in which you guys have asked questions about you who are curious to know about me, and I would be answering them honestly. And yeah, few days back I had put an ask me anything on my Instagram. A lot of you gave compliments, thank you for that. A lot of you had quite some interesting questions, so I would be answering them today. And yeah, let's sit down for this. Let's have that talk. Yeah, so the first one, where are you from? Where did you grow up? So I am from Mumbai. I grew up in Mumbai. I did my schooling in Mumbai. Basically, I'm from Kerala. I'm from Thrissur district. What is your favorite food? Pasta. Pasta and more pasta. I can survive my entire life on pasta. It's very easy. Even for my friends, just take me to any Italian restaurant and I'm good. I like Italian food in general, like pizza, all of it. Just make it cheesy and I'm in. What is your biggest fear? What is your biggest fear? Heights. I am petrified of heights. I cannot. I don't know. I don't even want to know people who enjoy roller coasters, who want to jump from mountains. I cannot. Like, my dead body is landing. I am not going to survive that. And another thing is spiders. Cockroaches, lizards, rats, I'm okay. Cockroach, I'm going to kill it. I am like, if I see it, it is going to die. But spiders, I mean, like, I just cannot imagine a spider. I am shit scared of it. What is your dream job? I wanted to do something with people, talking and all of that. I love my current job, but however, as a child, I wanted to become a tailor. I mean, like, I'm obsessed with clothes. So I clearly remember it was like some 6th or 7th standard, and from that I had this thought in my head. I was like, हाँ टेलर, then तो फिर मुझे मैं खुद ही सिला लूँगी, फिर मेरे पास बहुत कपड़े रहेंगे. I can design them however I want. I did not know the concept of fashion designer at that time, so my thing was like tailor, he'll do the clothes. And yeah, during my boards also I was like, हाँ इसके बाद तो I'll do something of that tailor thing only. But then yeah, I was quite independent, like from that age itself. Favorite movie? What is your favorite movie? Ye Jawani Hai Diwani. I can watch it any number of times. I love it. I love Chak De also. Like, I have watched Chak De so many times, and that's why I will watch the entire thing. It's not just the match part. It is up till where Shah Rukh Khan would be like, Vidya meri taraf dekho, and then when he comes back to his place and he gives that hockey stick to that kid, and then that credits and all will be coming up where people will go back to that Preeti Sabharwal will leave her husband Abhimanyu. Like, all I know that names. I know everything about that movie. And which other movie? I love Barfi. I don't love the movie Barfi. I love the character Jilmil in Barfi. Like Priyanka Chopra, I'm not a huge fan of Priyanka Chopra. But that character is in my heart. I mean, like, I love that guy. The way, like, so beautifully Priyanka has acted on that movie. I love it. Love that character. Love Priyanka for that movie. Can you speak in Malayalam? Yes, I can very fluently speak in Malayalam. My mom was very adamant about this. We used to have that books in which we used to amma, ana, like that. We used to read. So I know reading a little bit of, and even a little bit of writing also in Malayalam. So to answer the question, can you speak in Malayalam? Yes, I can. Nipo mane Dinesha. And coincidentally, my father's name is Dinesh. So yeah. And another favorite thing, Inki Vishkuno. And yeah, what is your dream destination? There are so many beautiful places. Yeah, but however, recently I was watching a travel vlog, and that's my favorite pastime. Me and my husband will be watching travel vlog all day. So yeah, this place Antarctica, it is amazing. I mean, like, I've always imagined it to be plain white, but it is so beautiful. The icebergs, the penguins, the seals, the sunsets, the sunrises, the activities that they plan there. Like they'll be having this scuba diving, ice diving, they'll be having this swimming in the ice cold water, camping there, living there. Like, it was so good. So currently that is my dream destination, Antarctica. What is the one thing you want to change about yourself? Oh, one thing. I'm very impulse. Like, I am very reactive. Like, I listen to it, I just want to respond to it. I would just be like, I'll not think much. So yeah, one thing I want to change about myself is to just listen to it, process it, understand it, and then calmly react to it, instead of I just be like react. So yeah, and a little bit of my temper also, but yeah, let's not talk about it. What is one thing favorite about yourself? I think my eyes. I get a lot of compliments for that, so my eyes. But apart from that, my personal favorite, if you ask me, my favorite thing is my metabolism. I mean, like, I can eat an entire pizza. I can eat whatever I want. I can live on junk food and I can still not burn. That is my superpower. Like, metabolism is my superpower. What is your biggest achievement? I think cooking. I was never a cook. I hate, even now I don't like cooking a lot, but I have never cooked in my life. Like, all our life will be with our mom. Our mom would be the one cooking for us. So I have never cooked. And after I shifted to Bangalore, I had cooked for the longest time. So past 2-3 months when we are in quarantine, I had to cook because we were saying bye-bye to the cooks and all. And I was pretty good at it, and I think that's an achievement because I have started with how to boil eggs. Like, those were the videos I used to check in YouTube, and I'm at a pretty good place now. So yeah, that is like an achievement to me. Describe you in 3 words. Passionate. I mean, like, aka obsessive. I don't just like stuff, I get obsessed with it. Like, then I am like mad behind it. So yeah, that one thing is I'm very curious. I will ask you stupidest question just because that thing is not going to matter to me at all, but still I want to know. Like, you'll be telling me ki, I'm going to buy a sweater. I'll be like, okay, why are you buying sweater now? So you'll be like, I'm visiting. Oh, okay. Have you thought of it? Have you checked online? How is it? So over there, do you want to buy it? Don't you think of borrowing it? Because in Mumbai, you will not be using it, na sweater. You think I can endless it. There is no small talk when it comes to me. I want to know everything. Everything. I would be like, even if you talk about some random thing, I will have questions about it and I will want to know about it. Everything. And third thing, I think I'm very trustworthy. Like, when it comes to friendship and all, you can tell me whatever. I'll not tell it to anyone. You can assign me with stuff. I'll make sure that I do it to my best possible way. So yeah. And mountains or beach? Definitely beach. I'm such a water baby. I mean, like, even if we go somewhere, right, if there is a little pond, I will be there all day. I don't want anything else. That is my plan, to do things, and I'll be there all day. Like, and I don't even know swimming. So if in case you see me drowning, that is not me enjoying. And I don't mind it also. Like, just know that I died doing something that I love. So great. What do you notice the first in people? Vibes. I mean, like, I need to feel that, or else I can be this talkative, or else I'll go dead silent. Like, I'll not be talking. I'll just be like judging you, all of that. But then yeah, I need to feel that thing when it comes to first meets. What is your one bad habit? Indecisive. I mean, like, indecisive about the nail paint also what I'm wearing. I'll send pictures to my friend and I'm like, what do you think I should wear? And I'm not even going anywhere, but then yeah, I'm very indecisive like that. One weird thing about you. So many. I mean, like, I can write a book on what sort of a weirdo I am. One thing is ki I want to snack all day. All day I'll be snacking. Like, I am looking at a snack right now. It's a bourbon half-eaten biscuit and it's a Lay's ka packet lying right there. I'm like, I'm not even lying. So yeah, I can snack. I want to snack all day. I'll be just, I'm not hungry. So it is just lying around every time. And this is very strange, very stupid, but yeah. The person sleeping beside me should be looking at me while sleeping. I mean, like, be it my cousins, be it my friends. I have stayed in hostel for 4 years. So if you're sleeping beside me until I fall to sleep, you need to be looking at me while you're sleeping. I don't know, I can't go to sleep if you're not looking at me. And yeah, another weird thing is I cannot remember routes. So if we are going somewhere for 10 days, same exact route, and on 11th day if I have to go alone, I'll not know. It's like I am visiting that place for the first time. I'll have to check the map. I'll have to check where to go, this, that, and all. So basically, 10 days I am blindly following you. I don't know. I don't check like, okay, this there's a left there and all. No. 11th day, I am still on stage 1 and I have to like figure out. So yeah, that's very bad. Okay, so last question. One common misconception about you. I think I'm always judged as rude. Probably because of the resting bitch face, or probably because I'm not talking much, or the way I talk, I'm very loud and I'm very sarcastic, and also maybe probably because of that. So I have had this a lot of times where people, when they start talking to me, they'll be like, oh, you're not at all like that. I thought you're very rude. I thought you are so approachable. I am very approachable, guys. Like, I am your best friend since day 1. Like, trust me. I can give this to you in writing. Like, I am that. I told you that I'll be like asking stupid questions and making you uncomfortable. So being rude is really not mine. So yeah, that's it, guys. It was fun doing it. Ask me if you want to know anything more. I will definitely ask you a question down in the question and reply to that. So yeah, this was fun. Thank you. I love you all. Mwah.